Hey guys, quick video. If your virtual Nespresso virtual is not brewing and you're looking for a way how to fix it, this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help you. So like his mother asked him to clean this. Now the first thing that you want to take a paper cloth, or you want to take something when you're cleaning your ears, and you want to clear the inside of this, because there is going to be a lot of residue. And also someone wrote here, fill the water container and close the machine. Rapidly press the button 3 times. It should start flashing yellow-orange, indicating cleaning cycle. Place a container as large as the water tank to collect the dirty water. After the cycle is finished, use a sponge or cloth to gently clean the cup and the rotating head. Repeat the process until the water runs clear and the cloth shows no brown residue. So that is, and it should possibly work the issue for you. I hope it does. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.